Good day everyone. Today I will show you how to install VirtualBox. First is select your browser and search VirtualBox latest version. Next is click the downloads and select Windows host and wait for the file to download. When it's done, open it in your file manager. Then select the file and open it. And click next. After that, click the accept the terms and license agreement and proceed next. Yes, and click next. Then wait for installing. After the installment process done, click next and proceed to finish. And then open your VirtualBox application. Then that's it.